Let's check it on the markets once again. Joining us from CommSec is Tom Piotrowski. Tom, what can we expect when the market opens this morning?
Danica, good morning. We can expect a fairly constructive start to the session for the local market this morning. The futures are indicating it will be up by around 0.9% when trade gets underway. So that's a reflection of what was quite a constructive session for US markets at the end of last week. And importantly, we heard from Jerome Powell. And what really struck a chord with investors, Danica, was the way that Mr Powell balanced up the conversation in relation to inflation, interest rate settings where they are now, and the risk of perhaps overcooking things when it comes to raising rates, and how the shift of those risks is a lot more balanced now compared to where it has been in recent history. The bottom line is that the markets really took some encouragement from Mr Powell's words, and you saw quite a significant fall in long and short-term interest rates, which added to the declines that we'd already seen over the course of the week. For example, you saw a 2-year Treasury note down by around 0.4%, almost a half of 1%. A fall in a 2-year government bond. That's a very big move in the interest rate markets, and that was quite supportive where the broader stock picture is concerned. So you had the S&P 500 up by around 0.6% for the session. For the week, it was up 0.8%. So that's where we are at the moment. The potential for US rates being on hold for the time being, or indeed the potential for rate cuts. And that is what's supporting stocks more broadly. Today, it's a busy day in terms of what we can expect on the local front in terms of news. Amongst the updates, we'll be hearing about job ads, so that's something to look out for. And of course, we have got the Origin Brookfield vote taking place today as well, which is an important outcome. The Aussie dollar has been a beneficiary of a moderating greenback. It's put on about 3/4 cent against the US dollar, thanks to that fall in US interest rates. So we're currently looking at an Aussie at around 66.7 US cents.